moves higher as we speak. But another one that's doing well is IEX, and the stock has halved from the peak that we saw a couple of years ago. But today that stock is up and about. Vivek joins us to fill us in with what's got the stock excited. Vivek?
Well, that's right. When you're talking about IEX, there have been multiple worries on the stock. Number one, competitive intensity increasing with the other exchanges coming in, and also the overhang of the fact that there could have been a reduction as far as the transaction fee is concerned when it comes to actually trading on the platform. However, what's actually happened is that yesterday the CERC, the Central Electricity Regulatory, has actually gone ahead and issued the transaction fee charges for power exchanges, and it has maintained the status quo at 2 paise per kilowatt on either side of the transaction that is going to be levied. And the reason that CERC has stated for keeping it as a status quo is that they're saying that any change in the transaction fee or differential pricing is something that can go ahead and hurt competition. On the back of that, UBS has actually gone ahead and written, they're saying that this particular approval is in line with expectation that the status quo will actually remain as far as transaction fees are concerned. UBS states that this particular development is a key positive as far as IEX is concerned, as a near-term risk from change in the transaction fees has been eliminated. Just for some context, in July 2022, IEX had gone ahead and petitioned the CERC for, maintaining a status quo as far as transaction fee is concerned, and they wanted the 2 paise per kilowatt hour, this particular fee, to remain as is.
Vivek, that 2 paise is the sort of primary way through which IEX makes money?
Well, it is.
Yeah. Sorry.
Absolutely. It is one of the primary ways, and in fact, the brokerage and the commission that IEX earns, this is one of the ways. The other thing, of course, is that it's actually a volume-based play, given the fact that the company has multiple products for both the seller and the buyer to come, and it actually has a price discovery process on the platform itself. So this has actually gone ahead and hurt the company's volumes in a sense as well. Other than that, there have been other issues in terms of competing exchanges that have come in and which have been quite aggressive in terms of actual pricing for various other products as well. So that has also aided to the underperformance of IEX in the last year.
All right, Vivek, thanks a lot for that, explaining us the business of IEX and telling us why it is up almost 10.5% as we speak. A big mover today, in fact, the top gainer in the F&O space itself. But the other stock